Today we're going to show you how to install a 1 meter LED strip light in a 1 meter long aluminum channel without cutting the strip. So we're going to remove the heat shrink off of the strip by using some side cutters in a gentle cutting motion. You may only be able to get about halfway through before you'll need to open the heat shrink to get your tool in there. Now we'll come from the other side on the heat shrink to finish the cut. You'll want to lay out your strip before you remove the adhesive to see where it's going to line up. The end caps that you'll use, one will have the hole for the wires. Make sure that you leave enough space when the strip is installed into the aluminum channel so that the caps can fit in fully. Now we're going to start by inserting the wire into the cable end and through the housing end. Then we're going to insert it fully into the aluminum channel until it stops. Grab the wires and pull the strip back in as far as you can so that you can line up the other end and make sure how much of the strip you're going to have to fold over. Now we're going to remove the protective backing from the adhesive all the way down the strip. Make sure that your strip is oriented in the correct direction and in the middle of the aluminum bar. Be sure to pull it back as far as you can to the wires, and then while centering the strip in the channel, be sure to press it down fully. Again, working your way down, making sure that it stays in the middle. As you'll notice, the strip is a little bit longer than the bar. You will need to fold over the end of the strip to fit it inside the aluminum channel cap. You'll want to lift up on the strip just a little bit to make sure that you can get the end cap fully seated. Next, we'll insert the strip and the end cap at the same time, making sure that the folded part of the strip fits into the end cap. Next, we're going to lay out where we're going to cut the clear lens to make it fit. Lay your lens on your bar, making sure that it touches the far end cap. Place masking tape or other similar tape where you're going to cut. Make sure that your lens is realigned and mark the cut line. In this video, we're going to be using a side cutter, but you could use a hacksaw, a jigsaw, or even a Dremel to prevent splitting the lens while cutting. Remove your masking tape, and you may have a little bit of a jagged edge, but that can easily be fixed with sandpaper. Take your sanding block to make sure that you can square off the edge to make sure that your final fit and finish is proper. Set your lens on the strip and double check that your cut is correct. Remove the end cap so that you can slide the lens into the aluminum housing. The last step will be tucking the strip into the end cap and also applying the end cap to the aluminum housing.